everyone. This is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hello guys, good morning. So this time we are on the way to Bindoy. So this is the scenery you can see from San Jose. So this is what you call that. You can see Cebu here in this side, and it's really calm sea. So I show you this one guys, so you are not get bored in my video. So yeah, I like always take video this place because it's make me relax and amazed. So we're going to Bindoy to join the birthday of Nanay Lily, Nanay of Sahira, because she's adopted. There's a story about that guys, that before I visit them, they're like long lost family to me. So until now, if I have free time, I go there, I celebrate with them, and even simple way they are happy. So they are really appreciated what do you give. And yeah, then this tree is really long time ago. I love the tree. I always watch that one. So this time guys, we dropped by in the left shop house because we have flat tire. We're lucky that when the cab blocked, driving we're close of everything, fast, slowly, not like in the middle of nothing. So they're playing the dog. The dog is really friendly to Sahira because Sahira know how to handle the dog. So yeah, she's really love dog, and she's trying to play, and the dog also is really playful. And she said, "It's a cute, mama. It's a cute." So yeah. And then I think we are still there in Tanhai. I think 11. Then 3 hours drive. Oh my god. But our day is what you call that. Is good. Going to the mountain is really nice feeling because Mexican family is there. So Sahira really loved dog. That's why. But if she see a dog in the street like walking, she said she like to adopt. But I said no, cause it's not like the food. I've been what you call that, but it's really dangerous if there's another people like visit our place, then they don't know, they don't like that. But maybe someday we will get. So they're playing. So while they're playing, I take videos so I will not bored while waiting for fixing the cab. So it's really what you call that to them, lucky day. So guys, finally we are in the mountain. We are really late. I think 1 o'clock. Still hungry, but we after we just go to the kitchen because we eating. So they're praying already. So this is the birthday of Nanay. Alam nga kami ginigamit niya nga sa pagsaysay sa iyang mga balaan nga pulong. Nga tagan pa kanyang tulong kaalam pa nga langit mo. Pagpadayon sa pag-alagad, ikaw nga magapadayon pa kaniya. So, amping lang mo kanunay duha ni nanay. Ikaw mo naman gusto happy birthday natin.
Awit. I see Business ko. Ang pa di ko ka tambok ng birthday nga iya tanan. Tanan. So maayong gihapon kay nanapol ang amo siya no walang buhay. Ako lang ditong tawanan. Pero ay duya naman siya na dito ay Irish phone. Panginaot na ang iyang birthday siya gawali siya kanta siya. May maayong birthday. Ayaw mo pagsalig, matut pa sa Diyos. Ayaw pagsalig sa inyong isig katao. Kaya ang tao magsalig sa inyong isig katao, pinunlo sa Diyos. Muna diya, atong babasa sa kasulatan. Muna ako, happy birthday.
Atong ibalik sa ka-birthday.
Salamat ninyong tanan nga karon ani kamot ako ang birthday. So, maabot ang panahon. Hinaot ako nga paaboton pa kita sa Ginoo. Aron makapadayon kita sa pagtuo malaglagan sa Ginoo. Kay wa man ta masayod. Kung saan iyang pagbuot kay ang tao imputan man sa Dios may tagal. Busan, pasalamat ako karon nakaabot pa ako ning mga tuiga. Ug hangtod nga kasunod pang mga katuigan iya paghihapon kung paabuton aron makahatag ako ang mensahe sa ako ang mga pagumangko. Salamat.
Ug atong paon ng ato ang offering.
Ang gini day birthday niyo na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye, Day. Bye-bye, Day. Alis amin. Bye-bye.
So, nag-video na siya.
Wala nang puro naman ulat.
Oh, dagan sa una.
Sana all.
Hindi gamitin mo to. Hindi gamitin mo.
Zip card.
Paano mapuro gabi ito? Ingon si Manang.
Happy birthday
Tapos
to
ihatag dito ba? Ihatag dito dong. Bongbong magulag ito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay ko.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow your cake.
It's a man.
Sige na.
Na may order gani ha?
Tanang cake i-blow.
Na-blow na da.
Tanang cake mama na nalili oy.
Kay cake. Ingon wala
Happy birthday to you.
Ano?
barn.
Kasi may kadalas manang labay.
Dapat yung ice cream lagi dito.
For Nora.
Ah!
Yung gamay.
Pagkama mga gamit kami. Okay.
Oh my God.
Kapoy na.
Ala, ano? Mugama pa ka?
Prinsesa po rin ninyong iruba. Ni aksyon kaglingi day.
So guys, time to go home na. We're both go home that afternoon cause we're not sleep there. Cause tomorrow is Monday, so we just walk going to the road.
Cutie pie.
But this one is really nice.
Dalha.
I can look around. Then yeah.
Mabalik pag yun.
That's why Sarah like to come here because she have a long walk.
Darag, maka dyan, Re.
But they are really fast walk.
Kausa. Wala makakaraang tigulang dyan. Oh, naglakaw ko, oy.
Ate, dari gani nahulog si Andre, hapit.
Dahan?
Oh.
So guys, muna among this is our style if we go home. Amo tanang dan. Saba kay mix tanan.
Wala na, mingaw ba yung sila? Nagpangalapanglaya.
14 busugan ako eh. Be! O sige, kaya ako video ninyo. Behind the scene.
Smell good.
Ana, oh.
Tinali, ano labi ka na siya tango. Agay! Nay, Alisa. Si Manong ni mo pay pala kay si imong tango. Kaya ang tango naman puro napuli. Gani.
Okay.
Si Bibi po daw po check tango.
Kuhan mo gunati ka ng
Bata pa lang
sa bata pa. Bloodline ba?
Kamoon ilan ang dugo.
Mm. Si mama, nana po. Ako.
Ako daw ko siya dako ng tango pero dili mo lang kasang saba bata pa ko kana nang karon ng gulang nako. Kita may tukar. Sama kahiwa ko na.
Siwa, nasa nagli? Nasa ka, oy? Nahubog ka? Gikapuyan siya lakaw, kada siya kabuylog lakaw. Nananghid ka? Hoy! Nananghid kang nanay? So guys, wala dyan ni panudlay guys. Kay nag-relax. Pagpauli sa babaw, nagbit-bit. Pagbalik, nagbit-bit. Ay, asalay. Go! Ay, tinguha! Tinguha!
Pipi, chaga, chipip. Pip, chaga. Hello, it's me. I'm ready.
I'm ready, what?
Now look. I'm like, mama.
Where are you? Natuto.
Go home. Add to na dyan.
Sige na hinihingi sabi.
Sige na, kay mabiyaan na ta.
Sabi atas pa mingaw na. Mayroon ning dapoy nga nagsadya.
Magbadrara pag-isip.
Sabangan sa ganyan.
So, dasta.
Sabangan sa natulog ko.
Hi guys! So, thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is me, Los Santos Coquera. So, enjoy your life guys.